Tomorrow, tomorrow never comes. What kind of a fool do they take me for?
Tomorrow is now, you say how, with a raised brow. The future's not now, but right now, that's how, wow. Ciao, I'm here tomorrow, I'm gone today. I'm back to the future, but I'm back from the future replay. Rewind what I say, tomorrow never comes, press play today. Then rewind, not fade away like a Scotch videotape on Groundhog Day. Hey, hear what I say? Tomorrow never comes, so live for the day. Oi, get up and stand up, no delay, today's the day. Never mind the buzzcocks, happy days are great. The unreachable becomes reachable, unavailable's available, unattainable's attainable, unexplainable but sustainable. This is where your new life begins. As planet Earth spins, throw caution to the wind. If you don't believe in yourself, people won't believe in you. Don't let what you can do interfere in what you can do. Minimize minimalistic activities that dull your awareness of that very moment's brain freeze. Self-value will allow you to be unconfined. Freedom of passive state of mind. In time you'll find you got one eye on yesterday, the other eye on tomorrow. In the present time of the day, your cockeyed you follow. Find spectacles to bottle, happiness to eclipse the subtle. You be climbing high like Mount Kilimanjaro. Shine is morning time, yawning's fine. You're more inclined to put them all in line. Entwine, build your mind, don't fall behind. Put on your shorts and t-shirt, get out in the sunshine. Your day is what you make it. Don't rest on your laurels, discover the new and update it. If you're too cautious, you're less joyfully surprised. Live life spontaneously with no compromise. Revise the dreams you devise, no guts, no glory. Slowly but surely be the author of your own story. Make the best of your past, be the worst of your future. Play your rest for your bad mass. Work first, I salute you. The champion prevails, striving, attacking for something. The lazy man fails, sitting back doing nothing. Push and pull, pulling and pushing. With exception to the bin in your kitchen, you get out what you put in.
Tomorrow never comes, live for today. Tomorrow never comes, live for today. Tomorrow never comes, live for today. Tomorrow never comes,